Alright, what's going on everyone, it's me Ron, here to bring you guys another video. This time I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing off my motovlogging setup. Now, the camera I'm using is a GoPro Hero 4 Session. The quality seems to be pretty nice on it. The only problem with it is that it's not capable of having a external mic. So because of not being able to have the mic with the actual GoPro like most people do, I actually have to record the audio separately. I record it separately by using my phone, plugging it into my phone, and then running the mic up my helmet. So it's gonna look like kind of like this. So I take the phone, I record audio, I put it in my helmet, I record with the GoPro to get the video, get the GoPro all set up, and then what I do is when I edit, I clap, and then I sync the audio from my phone, mute the audio from the GoPro, and I put them together. If you go into any of my motovlogs, pretty much all my recent ones are like this. It does seem to be working pretty well. It does make editing quite a bit more annoying, but it seems to be working, and until I can get a better GoPro that allows external mics and able to record through the GoPro itself. So this is the helmet that I use. It's a Scorpion AT950 dual sport helmet. Now I'm not going to go too much in the helmet, but it is pretty nice. I don't have a street bike yet, but when I get one, this is also what I'll be using. The shield comes up and down, and it's got a visor, sun visor, that actually does a pretty good job. Here's a quick overview of the helmet. If you're really going to be heavily invested into motovlogging, I probably would not recommend this helmet unless you take this chin piece off right here. Adding your GoPro mount on the front is impossible. You gotta stick on the side. Luckily, I had a curved GoPro mount. The curved one does pretty good. I don't think it's gonna be going anywhere. The visor down, while it does good with blocking all the wind, it also makes the mic inside really loud. Usually when I'm actually talking in my motovlogs, I have to have the visor up, otherwise it's too loud. So really all I do is, while I'm recording both on my GoPro and then I record audio through my phone, I run the wire up, I lift this up right here, and I just put it right here. So the mic is right around here. So that's pretty much it about my motovlogging setup. While it is not the best because of how I use my phone audio externally instead of from the GoPro itself, and it makes editing a little bit more time consuming and hard to do, it does work just fine. So that's pretty much all I have for my motovlogging setup. I'll show a little bit of my workspace in my room, but that's pretty much all I have for the motovlogging setup.